I'm Phil Merdinger, and I'm the chair of the cross-discipline section for this year's annual CCA meeting. I'd like to take a few minutes and introduce you to what we think is going to be a really exciting program this year, and I hope you'll be able to join us. Let's get some of the housekeeping things out of the way to start with. In case you didn't know, the meeting is from the 25th to the 28th of October in Scottsdale, Arizona. That's a Sunday through a Wednesday. We've got a great list of content that we've curated for this year's meeting. I'm going to speak specifically to what's going on within the cross-discipline. I think you'll find it's designed to cover just about all the different topics that may be relevant, regardless of what area you practice in as an actuary. We've got a great opening session lined up with someone who is going to be really inspirational, I think, talking about leadership, relationships, and how all of that comes to bear in the things that we do on a daily basis. I think that's going to be a really, really good session with it. We've got a variety of other sessions too lined up, ranging from governance of employee benefit plans to how the Supreme Court has impacted benefit plans through the various rulings that they've made over the years. We've got a session which is going to focus on what I'd call how to read your audience. Have you ever walked into a room and tried to size up the audience, and then you start talking and you think that you're both speaking different languages? This session is going to focus on that and how you can read the room and make sure everybody's communicating in a way that everybody understands and is aligned. We've got another session which is going to focus on migration, and by that I mean if you take a look at how populations have migrated over the years, both within the United States as well as on a global basis. How can you get your head around that? How can you project what's happening, and how can you use that to decide and interpret where things are going and what the consequences are for a variety of different things? Another session that we have is focusing on long-term care, which is probably something that everybody has experienced at one point or another in their lives with family members or friends of family members. We're going to talk about how it's evolved, how we got to where we are, and more importantly, what things look like going forward, both from a employee benefits perspective, but from an individual perspective too. We also have sessions that are going to focus on professionalism, as well as a variety of networking opportunities throughout the entire conference, starting on Sunday and going all the way through Wednesday. We hope you'll be able to join us. We think we're going to have a great meeting this year, and I look forward to seeing all of you in Scottsdale.